Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a link in TikTok bio without 1,000 followers. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. To do that is a very easy process, so make sure you watch the video till the end, and here we go. What you're going to be doing for the matter is simply going to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. I'm going to go back from here so I can show you the process. We will be here in the home screen originally. From here, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now you go, if you want to add a link to your TikTok bio, then you have to go to the option of edit profile. Go ahead, tap on it. Now from over here you can check out the bio right over here. If you want to go ahead, tap on it, and you can see you can add up to 80 words. So what you have to do is simply going to go ahead, copy a link and paste the link that over here, tap on save, and your link will be pasted. Now if you want a link to show it otherwise, you can also tap on this option of links as given over here right away. Tap on Instagram and YouTube and you can add any link over there, and if you have a website you can add it on bio like that. That is how simply you can do it. That's the way. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.